Chama cha ODM Nikyavithua Nikiutangaasa Nzama Mwanya ile Kukunikila kwa Uliku Kuthukumithwa kwa Wiw'ano wo waki Uthukumi na UDA Itano Mivitu Nzama ya Kati ya ungamita manita ODM ila yomba no monde ni alulumelelia ni kukwata muungamo wa mutongoi wo Raila Odinga kuthukumana kwa vakuve na President William Ruto vamwana okulio wa unenania na amwika kwisila kikalo cha conclave na yuyi wetano ngina alivotia nadko Ithukumithwe nginyamuthia Benjamin Mwaka na mauvo
ni itina wa kikalo ki mwana cha Nzama ya Central Committee vala ODM Myai ni kuniwa timu ya mwana ya kiubundi ile kuikala nthi na UDA no kana kuikithia Wiw'ano wo na chama cha UDA ulo wandikaniwa Mwai wa gatatu ni Uthukumi ngina muthia kikalo kicho monde cha ungame wa mutongo wa chama ki Raila Odinga
that in order to expedite the implementation of the 10-point agenda of the MOU, ODM will constitute a technical team to work with our UDA counterparts as part of the political infrastructure to assist with the implementation of the agreement. The committee has identified the absence of such a technical committee, which is actually contained in the MOU, as the missing link in the implementation of the MOU.
Nzama ya weta ni kukwana mba kwa viti wonde itambia ya mutongoi wa Raila Odinga kuthukumana na President William Ruto iweta vena vato wa serikali kuendea kuikala vindumu na enende mathiende ya kutani ya maudhasio mo maki katiba.
That the party supports the position that has been taken by party leader Honorable Raila Odinga to work with the Kenya Kwanza administration to stabilize the country and create an enabling environment for Kenyans to address their concerns through democratic and constitutional means. That the party supports calls for an intergenerational national conclave to deliberate on the issues affecting the nation with particular focus on youth agenda and agree on a way forward.
Ingi ODM iweta thienda livoti ya nadko Ikukunikila yonde na nicho kitume Wiw'ano wona UDA wa ile kuikalilwa na kusiaiwa weanie katwa sindu ila mbeemenda sianiwe ni budget mbianu ya serikali sia mitiuko ila yumenda yamba chukuma shilingi bilioni mana na 15 ngina ini ni shilingi bilioni mana na miongo 5.
Of great concern is the full implementation of the NADCO report, promotion and protection of the livelihoods of young people, the right to peaceful assembly and protest, the rule of law and constitutionalism, corruption and wastage of public resources. Thirdly, that while the party acknowledges the allocation of 415 billion to counties in the current financial year as an improvement on the previous disbursement, we will continue pushing for the raising of the allocation to a minimum 450 billion Kenya shillings or more, as had been proposed by party leader Raila Amolo Odinga.
Mwandiki mneno wa chama cha ODM Edwin Sifuna ni umwa amemama chama ki alamamini Kutangaasa sanzo Wiw'ano wo na UDA ni wakwie na kukosa vaita kumana na mauvaluku na mauvuku ma serikali kula kui NND.
We have said that while members arrived here with different viewpoints on many issues within the party and the country, the committee has managed to broker an unbreakable unity of purpose in the party and a single-minded focus on ensuring that ODM continues to be a loyal servant of the people and the country, acting in the best interest of its supporters and the nation, and committed to the agenda of national transformation and stability. This is now the position of the party. Yes, that we will be making sure that we put together a team that can ensure that we implement the MOU that we signed with UDA. How is that different from Sifuna's position?
Vilengo mavoku mavambo sinilomvi nyenito Benjamin Mwaka.